This is page 1 and 2 of the second semester practice final for geometry. So starting on page 1 with numbers 1 and 2, it just says write the name of the polygon. This one has 8 sides, so it's an octagon. This one has 7 sides, so it's a heptagon. You might want to write down any more that you don't have memorized so that when you're taking the final, you have a bunch of choices. Numbers 3 and 4, they want to know, is the polygon regular or not regular? So you need to know what regular means. Regular means it's going to have congruent sides and congruent angles. So 3 is regular, 4 is not regular. Numbers 5 and 6 says find the interior angle sum for the polygon. Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. So I selected a vertex and I drew as many triangles as I could inside of that polygon, and I counted up 10 triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees, so I got a total interior angles of 1800. For number 6, I picked a vertex, drew in as many triangles, multiplied it by the 6 triangles I found, I got 1080 degrees. Top of page 2. Find the measure of one interior angle. So I did the same thing I did for numbers 5 and 6, but I took it one step further. So I selected a vertex. I found 5 triangles, multiplied by 180, which means it has a total of 900. But then I needed to divide by the number of sides. There were 7 sides on this polygon, which gets me 128.6 degrees. Number 8 is asking for the measure of one exterior angle. So total is 360. So you take the 360 divided by the number of sides, which is 5, and you get 72. Numbers 9 through 12 are all proportions, so you're going to do the cross product and solve. So number 9, I got 0.38. Number 10, I got 3. Number 11, I got 2.7. And number 12, I had to do way over here because I was running out of space. I got 14.6. For numbers 13 and 14, they want you to solve for x. So I set up a proportion by drawing an imaginary line, creating a left side and a right side, a numerator and a denominator. That made my proportion, so I could do my cross product and then solve. Make sure that you distribute if you need to distribute. Same thing with number 14. Created 2 sides, made a numerator and a denominator, kept it consistent, did the cross product, and solved.